Hi, a very warm welcome to all on our channel A-OneTutors. In this video we are going to learn the basics of Pandas. We will use Jupyter Labs to do the practical implementation of it. Before we go on to use Pandas, we will first understand what is Pandas Library and what are its uses. Pandas is a Python library that is used to work with data and data sets. It can analyze, clean, explore, and manipulate data. It can analyze huge amounts of data and derive statistically proven conclusions out of it. It can make messy data easy to read and understand. Now let us look at the data we are working with. As you can see, this data has 12 different names and 12 different integers representing marks or grades. Now before moving on and making a table, we will first understand what DAT files are. DAT files are stored with the .dat extension. These files usually accompany other files to assist programs or applications. They store text in binary format. Although they are in binary format, some of these files can easily be opened and read using a text editor, and are usually created automatically by other applications. Now let us open our project in Jupyter Notebooks. Initially, we will need to install Pandas using the commands %pip install pandas. If you are not working in a Jupyter notebook, you should install these libraries using the command line or the shell. You should also not use the %symbol for other editors. After that, we will import Pandas as PDF. Now we will create a variable called fileloc, which will contain the location of the data file. We will also need a list to store the data, and then convert it into a data frame using Pandas. After this, we will now open the file using with command. Now we will apply a for loop inside the with command. Since we have 12 data values, we will use the loop 12 times. Now we will create two variables, name and score. Both of these variables will read one line at a time from the DAT file. Now we will store name and score in the data list in form of a nested dictionary. Now we will create a data frame df for the data stored in the list data. Now let us print the data frame. As you can see, there is an additional /n with the name and the score. To fix this issue, we will go back to the loop and edit the name and score variables to replace /n with nothing. As you can see, if we rerun the code, you will get just plain values in form of a table without the /ns. We come to the end of this video. Now you know what are DAT files and how to create a table using Pandas. Thank you for watching our videos, as we are here to help you with your upskilling and technical prowess. Please do support us by subscribing to the channel, and see you in the next video with more informative insights.